Back to a brand new 𝘞𝘈𝘒𝘖 gaming video, and today we're gonna be playing Super Animal Royale again. I promise you guys, if the last video hit 5 likes, I will do another one, and it hit 6 likes, so that's even better. But you guys really enjoyed it, so we're gonna be doing this again. And yeah, today I'm gonna be using the cat, and we're gonna try and get the super tabby cat. Okay, where should we land? Let's land I'm a bowmaster, buddy. Okay, we get the banana like Super Mario Kart. We throw banana and people will fall like Mario Kart. I should have got a better gun. Yahoo! Yeah! Could I? Yeah, I'm thinking about keeping the bow. But now I'm worried that he might be behind me. That is not something I like. I gotta reload my gun. Okay, we're hopping, whoa, rolling over here. What do we get? Okay, bye. Ah! Someone else is here. How am I? Ah! We're in the end game. Is he? Ah! Come on, we could go, man. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on. We did it, guys! We did it! We did it! We did it! You guys, we did it! We did it! Oh, we got a win! Oh my god, I am so happy! 19 cat! Oh, we got our first win! This is my first win ever! I'm so happy! We did it! We did it! Oh my god. I'm sorry if you guys had loud, max volume, but I am so happy. We did it. We did it. We won. Come back here. Yahoo! Where do you guys think you're going? You can't outrun me. Oh, you probably can, but yeah, let's go get a bow now. Ah! Probably going for me since, well, I'm in a gerbil ball. Like, I have the biggest hit box. Or maybe they know that you could get one-shotted with the gerbil ball. But either one, we're going. Oh yeah, I forgot, this campfire is in the game. Should honestly remember that this game has a lot of ways to heal. Let's go. I need armor. Maybe this dude has duct tape, hopefully. Ah. Come back. You wanted to fight, dude? On. Oh, we got him. Yay. Yeah, Oh, he has blue shield. Duct tape. Ah, skull cat. Yes. Yes, he was filled to the brim with duct tape. Alright, we're gonna take a little drink. Some little health juice. Bandage myself up a bit. Done really fast. Yahoo! GG's, man. GG's. Okay. I'm gonna head right into circle. 10 people left. 10 people left. Did it? I just wanted. Ah, there's a. Yahoo! Yes. I'm gonna go around him. Okay, we got another one. We gotta reload now. Yahoo! Oh, yes. 3 people left. 3 people left, you guys. Okay, going around over here. Okay, how many? 3 still? I'm gonna hide inside of this plate. Ah! I got lasered there, you guys. Ah! Fight a little bit longer. They need to fight so then I could heal. I got enough bandies. GG, man. GG. Couldn't get it back to back, but I'm fine. Okay. He had a minigun, so that was pretty much dead. 64 cat capsules. Okay, I'm probably gonna end the video here. We got a pretty good amount of 2 long games in. So I'll see you guys in the next video. 4 likes and I'll do another one.